I decided today to make a video about pet peeves. And I know I'm not the only one that has pet peeves. Everyone out there has them. We're only human. So I decided to write a list of mine, and it got really long, so I decided to just share 3 of mine with you guys. They're in no particular order, but they're just pet peeves, you know, so. So my first pet peeve is when people are chewing their gum with their mouth open. Can you just stop, please? God. It's really, really annoying. My second pet peeve is when people are just, because I don't like feet, okay? So when people are just sitting next to me and just picking out their toes, you know, just going like this and just picking out the toenails, oh, gross. What? It's disgusting to me. I don't like it. And my third pet peeve is when people don't wash their hands after using the bathroom. That is just so unsanitary, and it's just disgusting because whatever you are touching, I will most likely touch. Whatever is on my hand, I'll probably eat with my hand. That will go in my mouth or on my face. And if I know that you use the bathroom and didn't wash your hands, I don't know what you did in there. That's it's disgusting. It bothers me. It does really bother me a lot. So it's gross. Those are my pet peeves. I have more, but I'm only going to share 3. So feel free to share your pet peeves, you know. It'd be interesting to hear what you guys have to say. Reminder, I am going to have a giveaway contest in December. You have to be subscribed to my channel to enter for the giveaway. I'm only going to do the giveaway if I have enough subscribers. So subscribe, tell your friends. And they will possibly do the giveaway, and you can win some really cool stuff. So yeah, in December, subscribe, don't forget, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, and I'll talk to you later.